again for another travel vlog here in Liuliwa, San Felipe, Zambales with my work friends. So we came from Metro Manila, kaya around 3 to 4 hours yung biyahe namin papunta sa Zambales. And nag-stop over muna kami along the way para makapag-breakfast.
Few moments later.
And finally, we arrived here in San Felipe, Zambales. And expect mo na kapag pumunta ka dito, mainit talaga. Pero kasi summer ngayon. And ayan, nag-rent kami ng transient house. And super affordable lang nito, guys. 6,000 pesos lang yung total nito. Good for 8 to 10 packs na. So it has 2 rooms plus may dining area and karaoke siya. So sulit na talaga. After namin magpahinga saglit, now we are heading to the beach. Hindi nga lang front beach yung na-rent namin, kaya mga around 3 to 4 minutes yung walk namin papunta dito. Pero hindi naman sobrang layo. And here we are sa Liuliwa Beach. It's Saturday today, pero sakto lang yung dami ng tao and not too crowded compared sa in-expect ko talaga. And kapag pumunta ka dito, ang usual na makita mo dito na activities are ATV rides and dragon boat. So, perfect for families and friends. And syempre, isa sa pinunta natin dito ay picture-picture. Kaya of course, ayan, picture-taking muna kami. And syempre, the best part here is the sunset. So, hinintay talaga namin siya. Guys, so ayan, malapit na mag-sunset. And alam ko, limited lang yung time dito kapag gabi na. So parang may curfew. Kaya we decided na bukas na lang kami mag-swimming. Kaya umuwi na kami to prepare for our dinner. Dinner time na, so after mag-ihaw and magluto, ayan, nandito na kami sa dining area to eat. Nagkaraoke rin kami and kwentuhan after namin kumain. And just enjoying the night together, kaya napuyat talaga kami. So ayan, for our second day, it's already 7:30 a.m. na. Grabe yung naging puyat namin kakakwentuhan. But since morning person kami, we prepared our breakfast. Second day. Tulog pa sila, guys. Nauna na kami pumunta dito sa beach, kaya we decided to try itong ATV Ang price nito is 500 pesos lang for 30 minutes. Ito talaga yung pinaka na-enjoy ko kasi feel ko talaga yung pagiging rider. Hindi pa masyadong mainit nitong time na to since maaga pa, but honestly, best time talaga mag-ATV is near sunset. Nag-swimming na kami dito sa beach. And grabe yung alo niya, guys. Literal na hinahampas ka talaga. Pero sobrang nakaka-enjoy.
Ice cream.
After a few hours, nag-check out na kami sa transient house. Then, dumiretso kami here sa Sestra Liwa. Super sikat na spot ito here. And may coffee and meals dito and ang aesthetic talaga. Perfect for photo shoot kaya medyo maraming tao kapag pumunta kayo dito. So we ordered refresher drinks since sobrang init talaga ng time na to. So I got mango juice with nata. And meron din silang photo booth dito for only 50 pesos. So, syempre, nag-picture kami together with my work friends. So, that's it for our Zambales vlog. Bitin talaga ang 2 days and 1 night, pero nag-enjoy pa rin naman kami. So, super worth it itong quick escape namin with my work friends, with good vibes, good food, and of course, a beautiful sunset. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye!